Right, putting in the new clutch. About to get this shit hopefully started. Alright, so I put on the tranny. I'm getting no crank, and I think I figured out why. My dumbass didn't see that the ground cable is freaking hiding in here. My god.
That is busted. That leak. Cut this in. I think he cut it in.
Well, there you go. First startup, and who knows how long, but got everything on. As y'all could tell, the turbo is blown. It has a blown seal. So I started taking it apart. It's almost out. I just need to take off the oil line to the turbo. I do already have the replacement back here. Little baby turbo. Big 16G turbo. Supposedly they're off of a Evo 8 or 9, not sure. What else does it have? It does have a downpipe. It looked like it was loose, so I might need a new gasket. What else? One of the seals to the tranny I didn't replace, and now it's leaking, so I have to replace that. It does come with a fuel regulator, and I do have to change the master cylinder. It is leaking. What else? A little, I guess, cone. It came with an intake, but I took it off. I didn't like it. Comes with a little knockoff blow-off valve. We're gonna get that changed. What else? Yeah, this battery right here is lightweight battery. Works pretty good. What else? It does have bigger injectors. Not sure on the size, but I will get that checking out soon. I just wanted to run, pretty much just wanted to turn on, at least drive and make sure it drives back and forth. So that's why I went with the replacement, a big 16G turbo. What else does it have? It does have an AFR gauge. It does have a, well, I upgraded the clutch, kept the stock flywheel because it is a lightweight flywheel. It has, what else does it have? Full 3-inch exhaust all the way back. I'm pretty sure they had a big turbo on before this because this fan is pretty much melted, and this little turbo is not gonna do that. So I'm pretty sure they had a different setup on here. What else? I think that's it. Other than that, sounds pretty good. I was pretty surprised how good it sounded. It just sounded crappy because all the exhaust flanges and gaskets are pretty messed up. So got those already replaced. Do already have the master cylinder ready to be slapped on. Hopefully that works, because I do have a brand new slave cylinder. What else? That's pretty much it. Car is pretty freaking clean, so can't complain. It does have coilovers also. Not sure what kind. Let's see. I don't know. Can't get in there. And it does come with rotors, and these things are like minty. There's no scratch marks on them. Yeah, mint. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Got some more tranny fluid because it did leak out a bit. Hopefully I can slap on that turbo soon and drive it. And yeah, be an awesome build. I got some plans for this. And it's not the all-wheel drive, unfortunately. It is a front-wheel drive, but it doesn't matter. This thing, you cannot find these anywhere anymore. And the condition that it's in, I was very surprised. Not bad. I'll catch on the next one. A little bit of update on this one. I did get the part slapped on already. I went with a different front end. Y'all gotta check out the next video for that. Peace out.